Morning everybody. Okay, so we did the vote and you guys wanted an everyday makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna do that for you today. I'm having a regular everyday kind of day today. Actually I'm not, I shouldn't say that. I'm doing a puppy yoga class. I'm so excited. But I am running a little bit late, so we're gonna get straight into this and it might feel a bit rushed, but we'll just see how it goes. I just figured this is the most natural way to do this video, and then you can see what I genuinely do on a genuine day where I don't have all the time in the world. I've got this very aesthetic looking coffee to keep me going. And we better start because I don't really have any time. Okay, so I've done all of my skincare. If anyone wants an everyday skincare / morning skincare routine video, let me know in a comment down below. And we're just gonna go straight in with makeup. I like to start with my eyebrows. I'm using the NYX Brow Glue. I just got a new one. I didn't think I liked this that much until I ran out. And then I was using something else and I was like, yeah, I missed it. Comes with a little brush. So what I do is like just run this through the eyebrow so like all the hairs are coated, and then just start brushing it up. Boom. That's done. I'm telling you guys, we don't have all the time in the world today, but this is me literally every day. Like, I'm not the best at timekeeping. I mean, will I get to where I need to go on time? Absolutely. But will I leave my house on time? Probably not, and it'd be a mad rush, but no one's gonna know. No one's gonna know. I'm gonna go over these one more time because I am technically doing puppy yoga. I mean, I promise you guys, I am not gonna do a single stretch. I'm here for puppy playtime, but just in case, gotta keep those eyebrows in place. Okay. That's pretty good. Just gonna let them kind of like dry a little bit before I fill them in. So while that happens, let's do some concealer. Let's do some concealer. Okay, so for concealers, I use the Makeup Revolution concealers, but I am now in the market for a brand new concealer. I'm using two, so one is C12 and one is C10.2. All of these details will be in the description box. So basically, my reason for wanting to change my concealers is Makeup Revolution. Over the past few months, I have heard quite a bit about the brand and how they treat creators and how they treat members of the Black community, and I'm just like, I keep hearing bad stories. By the way, I'm putting the darker concealer like on the outer of my eyes, and then the lighter one goes on the inner. I did order a few things from Makeup Revolution in December. For anyone who watched Vlogmas, you might remember. And to be honest, apart from these concealers, nothing really stood out, and it's not stuff that I'm really gonna use or order again, unfortunately. But I saw a TikTok, I think it was last night, another story about how Makeup Revolution have treated people, and it was actually quite bad. I'll link it in the description of this video if anyone wants to check out, if they are a customer and they just want to see. I do like the concealer, but like, it's not life-changing. I can easily just buy from a different brand, you know? So if you guys want to see the Makeup Revolution drama, I will link that in the description. I want you to go straight to her video so she gets the views, because everyone deserves their own views, you know. And if you know any other like easy to use concealers I can replace these with, please let me know. I just like easy makeup. Just easy makeup is my thing. I am using a Morphe M334 brush to just kind of like tap this out and then kind of blend. I do like to keep the concealers like on their own sides because we're doing a slight ombre. Just you know, because it makes me look alive. It's also really easy just to do this with your finger. Okay, so concealer's looking decent. That will do. I'm gonna take a bit of this Laura Mercier setting powder, the classic one that like everyone uses. I'm just gonna like set it slightly with that, but I am gonna replace this setting powder soon. I think I'm gonna get that Jordana Tissue one that my sister used on me, because it was banging. And I just think I've had this powder for a while. Let's switch it up. That'll do. All right. How am I doing for time? Okay. I'm doing all right for time, but I'm not gonna get comfortable because that's when things go downhill. Let's finish off these eyebrows. So for my brows, I like to use the NYX Lift and Snatch eyebrow pen. Shade is Espresso, kind of like a dark ashy brown. And then it's very fine tip, so you just draw in any missing brows like so. It just creates the finest strokes. I'm starting to mess up the shape a bit because I am in a hurry. And it's hard to do on camera, okay? I just can't. Just like, yeah, fill in the gaps. I filled them in. I think this is enough. I've done a very light fill-in today. They may look a bit uneven, but your girl's in a hurry. So just pretend they look amazing and then we'll just move on. Okay, so I like to do a little bit of eyeliner, not much. Kind of like just the outside bits, especially on the day-to-day. Oh, actually, slow down. I don't do this every day, but if I feel like a little bit of something on my eyelids, we go in with a bronzer. The very basic bronzer I've had for years. It's MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. Just get some of that on the brush, literally just all over the eyelid. Just adds a little something, you know. See? So minor, but like, I just look a bit more put together. Very easy to do. Back with the eyeliner. So, this is NYX Epic Ink Liner. I think it's the best affordable eyeliner out there. I will fight people on this. I will literally fight people on this. For me, it's the best. The actual line of the liner can go any way it wants depending on how I've woken up in the morning. I just want a tiny little wing. I'm gonna give that a go. If you end up seeing like a big club eyeliner, just let me off, I'm in a hurry. That'll do. Right, tiny little line. We're just gonna link that up to things. That will do. Is it perfect? No, but you kind of get that idea of what I'm trying to do. Just a little tiny flick, because it looks nice once the mascara's on. Let's do the other side. Okay, they're not perfect, but they kind of don't need to be. I'm gonna put on loads of mascara. It's gonna work out, it's gonna be fine. Let's do the first layer of mascara. I am also in the market for a new mascara. I'm currently using Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Edition because I've been taking more classes. It's just easier for my mascara to like be waterproof and not go all over my face. I'm looking for something else around the same price point, just like cheap and easy that I can get from any shop. That's just how I like my mascara because they just run out at the worst times. I like the brush on this one, loads of little individual bristles, and it is overall a good mascara. I do think the non-waterproof version is better, but that is a discussion for another day and I don't have the time for it right now. We're just gonna go in with this. One layer's on, we will come back to that after I've done a bit of blush. I just like to let this dry for a bit so I can work on the second layer. This video is gonna have like the most unflattering angles, but this is the most real version of this everyday makeup routine I can give you. Like, this is how it goes. A little bit rushed, a little bit manic, but we get there. That'll do for now. Okay, so we're gonna start on the blush. These days, I always start with the Euphoria BYO like blush oil thing because I love it. I actually do. Bam. Bam. This also acts as my highlighter. If you guys have seen the video I did, which was just about the products I got from Euphoria, you'll know exactly like how I apply this and why I love it. But basically it's just really cute little oil. It changes from green to pink, as you would have seen with my application. I take it across the high points of my cheeks and around into my hairline. And not only does it create the cutest pink, but it also makes that glow. Do you see it? It's all very natural. It's all very, very cute. And it's very quick and easy to blend out. Okay, we're looking pretty good now. I'm looking like I could just leave, which is what I like. Just popping on a bit more of this. Because I just feel like being really pink and cute for the puppies today. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Right, boom. Great, let's go in with a second coat of the top mascara. I've got like 5 minutes left. Is this my best mascara application? Absolutely not. But is it gonna get me out the house and on with my day? Yes, it is. I wish everyone did their everyday makeup tutorials like this. Like, I want to see your panic. I want to see your real morning routine. I want to see you stressed. Like, that'll do. Right, we're going to put some of this on the lower lashes. It's waterproof, so it's totally fine. It's not going to move. Right, bottom lash mascara did go a little bit clunky on this eye, but no one's going to be that close to me. No one's going to know. Right, we're pretty much done. But I have been layering my blushes recently, and I am back on this. It is NARS Orgasm Blush. I know, right? I'm so original. Oh my god. But I love this blush. It's been like an all-time favorite. It's a good blush. So I get just a little bit of that, tap it off, just go for it. Boom. Cute. They're a cute combo. This blush and that oil blush, they look cute together. Okay, put a bit in that middle bit, and then a powder blush can go across my nose. That's fine. Oh god, cute. And the last thing, so lips. Honestly, on an everyday, this Nivea lip balm is like my favorite go-to. If I don't want anything on my lips, that's what I use, like a little shine, and it's also got SPF. But if she's feeling a little bit fancy, my go-to recently has been this one by YSL. It just has a number. I'll find the shade. I'll find the shade. It's just like a cute kind of like pink. Yeah. Just one little swipe is fine. See? That's cute. Oh, we're done. I am ready to face the day. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Remember that I choose my videos based on the thumbs up on the current videos and on the votes on my community page. If you don't know how to get to my community page, I'll run the little video again here. Go here, press here, vote here. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will put up the vote for the next video after this is posted, so like head on over there now, vote for what you want, and I will see you guys soon. I hope the puppies like my makeup today. I'm so excited. Okay, gotta go. Bye guys.